still, where metal veins cut through the hill. No voices rise, no banners fly, yet something burns beneath the sky. The marks of hands, the tools of might, shape walls that pierce the newborn light. The past still breathes beneath our feet, its echo cold, its rhythm sweet. We walk the fields of iron and flame. Each scar a story, each spark a name. No crown, no throne, just will and bone. We build the ground we stand upon. This earth remembers every fall, each cry that shook the iron wall. From sweat and dust a vow is born, to rise again, remade, reborn. No crowd yet roars, no drums resound, but power hums beneath the ground. The steel will sing, the fire will call, the heart of men will build it all. We walk the fields of iron and flame. Each scar a story, each spark a name. No crown, no throne,
lost now, paralyzed.
And let the hammers sing, their echoes rise on newborn wings. Through hands of flame, through hearts of clay, we carve the dream that will not fade away. The ghosts of toil beneath the stone still whisper names the earth has known. A spark of vow inside thunder.